Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered about how things are made or what jobs will be like in the future? Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of advanced manufacturing and robotics. This video is specifically for 5th and 6th graders to help you understand how robots will feature in the workplace of the future. So what exactly is advanced manufacturing? It's a super cool way of making things using really smart tools and new technologies. It's different from the old factories because it uses computers, robots, and even special 3D printers to make things faster, better, and often with less waste. Now, let's talk about robots. You might have seen them in movies or cartoons, but what are they really? Robots are machines designed to do tasks, often automatically. Think of them as smart helpers that can do things humans might find boring, difficult, or even dangerous. You probably already see robots in your daily life, like robot vacuum cleaners, or even some advanced toys you might have. In advanced manufacturing, robots are super important. They help in many ways to make sure products are made perfectly. Robots can do jobs that are too hard, too repetitive, or too dangerous for humans, like lifting very heavy objects or working with hot materials. They can also do things much faster and more accurately than humans, which means we get more products and they are of higher quality. Now, let's think about the future. What will workplaces be like with more robots around? Instead of replacing people, robots will work alongside us. They'll be our teammates, helping us with tasks and making our jobs easier and more interesting. This means there will be new and exciting jobs, like designing, building, and fixing robots, or even teaching them new things. So what can you do now to get ready for this amazing future? The best thing you can do is to keep learning about science, technology, engineering, and math, also known as STEM. Building with Legos, playing with coding games, or even just asking, how does that work, are great ways to prepare. The world of advanced manufacturing and robotics is constantly changing, so staying curious and open to new ideas is key. The future workplace with robots will be an exciting place where technology and human creativity come together to build incredible things. We can't wait to see what you'll create.